Hello and welcome to Invention Insider. Today we are going to dive into the history of the airplane. The airplane is a marvel of modern technology, allowing us to travel great distances in a short amount of time. But have you ever stopped to wonder how and when the airplane was invented? The idea of flying has captivated humans for centuries. As early as the 18th century, people were experimenting with hot air balloons, which lifted off the ground using heated air. But these early flying machines were not very practical, as they had no way to control their direction. In the 19th century, inventors began to develop gliders, which were unpowered aircraft that relied on the wind to stay aloft. These early gliders gave engineers a better understanding of how to design aircraft that could fly, but they were still limited by the wind. It wasn't until the late 19th century that the first powered, controlled flight was achieved. This groundbreaking achievement was made by two American brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. The Wright brothers were fascinated by the idea of flight from a young age, and they spent years studying the work of other inventors and experimenting with their own designs. They were particularly interested in the concept of lateral balance, or the ability to control an airplane's roll and pitch. In 1903, the Wright brothers successfully flew their first airplane, a small biplane called the Wright Flyer. It was powered by a 4-cylinder engine and had a wingspan of just over 40 feet. The Wright Flyer was the first powered, controlled, and sustained airplane flight, and it marked the beginning of a new era in transportation. From these humble beginnings, the airplane has evolved into the complex and sophisticated machines we see today. Now, airplanes are used for everything from commercial travel to military operations and have revolutionized the way we live and do business. As airplanes became more common and played a larger role in our lives, safety became an increasingly important concern. Over the years, a number of technological and regulatory developments have helped to make flying safer and more reliable. For example, the use of stronger and more durable materials such as aluminum alloys and carbon fibers has made airplanes less prone to structural failure. Enhanced navigation and communication systems, such as GPS and radar, have also made it easier for pilots to stay on course and in contact with air traffic control. In addition, stricter regulations have been put in place to ensure the safety of passengers and crew. Airplanes have also played a significant role in wars and military conflicts. The ability to quickly transport troops and equipment has given military forces a strategic advantage, and the development of aircraft carriers has allowed navies to project power far from their shores. In the modern era, airplanes have been used for everything from surveillance and reconnaissance to air-to-ground attacks and air-to-air combat. The Wright brothers' invention of the airplane has truly changed the world, and its impact will be felt for generations to come. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we can be confident that safety will remain a top priority. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.